Fashion flexes its conscience, the runway turns into something far bigger than a spectacle. The fashion industry came together to raise funds and spread awareness on the fight against cervical cancer. Actor Taha Shah walked for designer duo Rohit Gandhi and Rahul Khanna, and my colleague Mayank spoke with the actor on how fashion can help an important cause. Listen in.
Change is possible when people come together, and tonight the fashion world has come together for a noble cause. Festival of Hope, an initiative by Shalini Vij and designer duo Rohit Gandhi and Rahul Khanna to raise awareness and funds to fight cervical cancer. Amazing initiative, Festival of Hope. You're partnering with Rohit Gandhi, Rahul Khanna. Tell me about this initiative. Why is it important to you?
So we started this in 2011, and I personally suffered a major loss, not just one but almost three, which is why then I decided that people like us who can afford the treatment are not even aware about cancer. So the journey started from there, where we wanted to just spread awareness. And then we started going into the grassroots level, where people started, the underprivileged started coming to us that, Didi, hamare liye bhi kuch karo. That's when we started raising funds for the underprivileged.
The biggest cancer vaccination drives for the underprivileged children. We need more Samaritans like Shalini Vij and all these designers year after year, whether it was Varun Bal earlier, Sahil Kochar the year after, this year there's Rohit Gandhi, Rahul Khanna. All the designers, it's very heartening to see them coming together to support a cause like this.
A really noble one, a really important one. Tell me, as a designer, why is it important to you?
Well, I think we just don't own only style, we have to give it back to the community. We are doing it for people, and we are here, and it's for children, and why not? So we're giving back. It's a way to give it back with fashion and style and support.
Congratulations, it was a fabulous show. Taha, tell me, first, it's fashion coming for this wonderful cause. How do you feel about that?
I think fashion brings the world together, just like music. And I believe that if you can use your art to support the people who can't support themselves, it's a huge, huge, huge congrats to them, these incredible people who are not only legends in their own industry, but now spreading their wings and helping other people. It's always about sending back the elevator, so that's what they're doing. The film that I just did, it's a film called Paro. It's actually moving to the festival, and it's supporting bride slavery, which happens up north. And I believe that such causes, if we, God's blessed us with, a bit of popularity, and if we can use that to change the world and change people's mindsets and help the people who need help, I think it's actually, it always works out when you help people, it actually gives you the most happiness. Right.
Of costumes or fashion, what is that one dream role you'd like to play?
Dream role?
Yes.
Wow.
He played
Prince of Persia.
Okay. And Rahul and Rohit, would you design for that?
100% for him, a person like him. Look at charming. He's amazing. When we called him, it was the first yes from him, and he said, I want to support in any other way.
Social awareness is very important for something like this, because cancer, if detected early, it can be cured. And as I say, they're focusing on cervical cancer, so I think one shot at a time.